I'll now give a quick demonstration of some of the possibilities of the EPOS-N Portal. For this session, we'll look at potential geohazards around offshore infrastructure. Before we start, I'll just quickly make and save a project. And change the layout so that the display only contains one tile. So, with that done, let's search for some relevant data. I'll start by browsing through the geological data list. As you saw, when I clicked on the geological data bar, the lists to the right were filtered accordingly. In a similar way, I would like to filter the list so that it only contains map layers. Browsing through the newly filtered list, I see the Norwegian Petroleum Directorate's fact maps. They contain information about petroleum activities on the Norwegian continental shelf and therefore also offshore infrastructures, so I'll add that to my project. Also of interest is the marine geohazard maps, so I'll add those as well. Let's go and have a look at the datasets I've chosen to see what they contain. If I click on the MPD fact maps, we see a long list of available layers. I'll first display the structural elements. Then I'll add the faults and boundaries. The faults and boundaries are a bit difficult to see, so I'll lower the opacity of the structural elements layer to see if that helps. Okay. Let's continue by scrolling further down the MPD list and add pipelines and development wellbores. Now that I've added map layers with offshore structures of interest, I'll move on to the marine geohazards dataset. Submarine landslides could definitely be of interest, so I'll add this map. With all these map layers added, it could be interesting to take a closer look at, for instance, this area where a pipeline crosses faults and a submarine landslide. So I'll zoom in. I would also like to plot the seismicity in the area, so I'll quickly go back to search to add seismicity to our workspace as well. So, let us now plot these seismic events. I'll display the depth using color and magnitude using size. Now, with some slight adjustments to the scale and the color, first to the depth. Then for the magnitude. We also have an overview of the seismicity in the area, which could potentially trigger new landslides. If I would like to download the seismic events from this area, I can display the seismic events in table view. First, I have to open another tile. Then, I'll display the seismic events in table view. I can then choose the area of interest by just Alt-clicking on the map and draw a square, and the list of seismic events is filtered accordingly. If I now click here, the filtered list will download to my computer. That was it for my short demonstration of the EPOS-N Portal. If you're interested to learn more, please check out the manual, which is available in the portal. I hope I could give you an impression on some of the potential the portal has specifically in terms of geohazards. Thank you for watching.